You know that feeling, right? You fix a problem, you think you're done, and then boom, it's back again a week later. It's so frustrating. Well, it usually happens because we're just patching up the symptoms, not actually curing the disease. Today, we're going to learn a really cool technique for digging past all that surface level noise to find what's really going on. So let's start with a simple question. Why do things really break? And I don't mean the obvious stuff, the first thing you see. I mean the reason behind the reason. That's the question we're going to get to the bottom of. And to do that, we need a good mystery to solve. So here it is, a real classic tech headache. We've got an app and it keeps crashing every single time a user tries to upload a big image file. It's a huge pain for everyone. But what's actually happening here? The tool we're going to use for this little investigation is called the 5 Whys. It's super simple, but honestly, it's brilliant. Just think of it like a detective's secret weapon for tracing a chain of clues all the way back to the source. And here's the main goal, the whole point of this exercise. The app crashing, that's just the symptom. It's the tip of the iceberg. What we want to do is look below the surface to find that massive hidden root cause that's creating all this chaos. Okay, time to get our hands dirty. The investigation is on. Let's follow the trail of clues and see where it leads. We're going to ask why 5 times and see if we can crack this case. Okay, let's start digging. Number 1, why does the app crash? Well, the server just can't handle those big image files. Okay, fair enough. So question 2, why does the server fail? Turns out the image processing module is completely running out of memory. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Question 3, why does it run out of memory? Well, because nobody ever put a file size limit on the uploads. That's a huge clue. So number 4, why wasn't a limit implemented? Turns out the original plan, the feature spec, never said anything about a maximum upload size. And this is where it gets really interesting. Our final question, number 5, why was the spec missing this crucial detail? Because the quality assurance team, they never flagged potential memory problems during their review. Wow, see what happened? We just went from a simple bug to a full-blown process problem. So after all that, after peeling back all those layers, what's the real culprit here? Is it a line of code? Is it a bad server? What did we actually find? And here it is. The root cause wasn't a tech thing at all. It was a gap in the process, a breakdown in how the team plans and reviews its work. The app crash was just the very last domino to fall in a long, long chain. Now, finding the root cause is awesome, but it's really only half the job. Now we've got to fix it. And we're not just going to patch this one little bug. No way. We are going to fix the entire system so that this kind of thing can never, ever happen again. So how do we fix this for good? It's a 3-parter. First, the quick fix to stop the bleeding. We put that max upload size into the app right now. Second, we fix the planning process. From now on, the feature specs will always include limits for file uploads. And third, we beef up our safety net. We're adding a new item to the QA checklist to specifically look for memory and resource issues. See that? We're not just fixing the broken link, we're strengthening the entire chain. This really sums up the whole journey, doesn't it? We started with the loud, obvious symptom, the app crash. But by asking why over and over, we found the quiet, almost invisible root cause, a gap in their process. And that's the real magic here. You fix the process and you stop a whole category of problems from ever being created in the first place. So if there's one thing to remember from all this, it's that the 5 Whys is your tool for digging deeper. It helps you get past the immediate technical glitch and see the bigger, systemic issue that's really causing the pain. And that kind of leaves me with one final thought for you. Think about the biggest challenge you're facing right now. Could be at work, could be anywhere. What do you think would happen if you started asking why? What's the real why hiding just under the surface?